Hi guys, this is Malvika and I'm going to explain how to use iSchoolConnect for your study abroad preparations. Now for all the users that want to explore the different courses, programs or even the different countries that they could study in, you could use our Explore Schools page. With the Explore Schools page, all you have to do is type the program, specialization, university or city of interest and get the entire list just in one click. For instance, I can search London or MBA or Oxford University and I would get a list of universities for each search. I can now click on each individual university and get information about the programs they offer, their admission rates, boarding and tuition fees, and so much more. You can also shortlist and apply for universities based on your preference. Now, if you don't know which universities suit you the best, you can use our recommendation engine tool. Register on iSchoolConnect by filling a few details. Enter all your relevant information, your educational qualifications, your competitive exam scores, your work experience, etc. And click on to get recommendation, and that's it. The recommendation engine has provided a list of universities that you should apply to basis your preference. You can now decide on which university to apply to. Once you've decided on the university you want to apply to, you can use our shortlist and apply feature to apply to different universities you want to go to. So for example, if you want to study in Harvard University, all you have to do is click apply, and as you can see, your application gets generated automatically. Once your application is generated, you can now add in all necessary documents that are required by the university you applied to. Once you fill in all the necessary information in the application form, you will be required to add your statement of purpose. Your SOP is a document that most universities need that tells a college why you are the best fit for that university. To help you with that, our SOP and essay grader tool checks for simple grammatical errors and also tells what you are missing so that you can add it to boost your SOP. As you can see, the AI-based tool shows what your SOP is missing in terms of grammar. Apart from that, it also shows you what most universities expect and if you have hit that criteria or not. Another cool tool that you must know about is the Visa MBA Interview Analyzer. This tool analyzes how you can take an interview in real time and tells where you're going wrong. As you can see, the Visa tool shows real-time analytics based on cues that interviewers look for, such as assertiveness, truthfulness, and much more. You can use this in order to understand where you're going wrong and improve yourself so that you can get accepted. You could also check out our extended ecosystem that will help you with housing loans, currency, and so much more.